Hello! Welcome back! Woohoo! How long has it been since I've been on YouTube? Almost a year! It's been 10 months. Holy shit. Since I last posted a video, it's been 10 months. Today we are back with my best friend. If you're new here, this is not sponsored by White Claw. Hit the like button, but also hit the subscribe button. Wait, hold on. I think the subscribe button's over here. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. I'm doing my best friend's makeup today, drunk, because why not? Come here.
I'm trying to figure out what you're doing.
That's my sweater that she's wearing. But it's fine. I actually stole it from somebody. Yeah, I did.
Can you not?
I don't know. I forgot where I got it from. Let's do this. I want to chew them. I thought they were spicy.
No.
Alright, subscribe to her channel, subscribe to my channel. Let's do this. Let's get our followers up.
Let's do this.
Okay, bye. I haven't done this in so long, I forgot what to do. We're gonna be going in with Morphes. Oh.
Is that new?
Morphes Revitalizer Primer. Yes, no, yes, it is new. Okay, honey. All right, now that we got the primer on, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go with the MAC Painterly Paint Pod. My name is Ty Tucker, by the way. This is my YouTube channel. Welcome. Enjoy the ride. I like to start off with eyes first before I do the foundation of the face. Some people don't, but I do. Because if you have any fallout, you can brush that away like it was 2019. Because it's gone. We're gonna be using the Morphe 35B palette, and instead of me picking out a look, we're gonna have Ryan pick numbers. How many are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. That's why it's called 35B. There's 35 colors. Okay. She's gonna pick 1 through 35. She's gonna pick 5 of them, and the colors that she picks, we're gonna make a makeup look.
So let's do 23.
Okay, 23. Okay, another one.
That was the one that came in my head. 23,
Wait.
17.
23. 35, 34, 33, 32. Oh. I don't know math. 23. Okay. Ooh, that one. Don't look. Oh,
I can't see.
that one.
I'm blind.
This one. Hi. Hello.
no.
We're back. Her camera died. It's fine. Because I don't have a camera because I'm poor. 17, right?
Yeah, 17.
So far she's picked 23, which is going to be this color. And then she picked 17, which is 7, 14, 15, 16, 17 is that color. And then she has 2 more to go. Nope. Wait, yeah. I know 3 more. Wow, I don't know math.
So 23, 17, 4.
Oh, she's picking all the same colors. Okay, 4.
12. Let me type this down.
7, 14, 13. 12.
8.
It's gonna be a great look, y'all. 8. You wanna see which ones you have?
No, I don't.
Okay. Oh,
It's gonna be a
Lord.
surprise.
There's no black, there's no purple, there's no blue, there's no green, there's no red.
Are they all the same colors?
They're pretty much all the same color. Alright, so we're gonna go in with the first color, which was 23.
23.
We're not gonna do that. We're gonna go in 17 first. So it's gonna be this color. It's gonna be a transition color, so you can get messy with this, you can get dirty, you can get clean. You know, just depends on how you wanna be with your transition color. Because in the end, it all works out and becomes a beautiful little butterfly. So the transition shade will help you blend the rest of the colors in, but it's better to hold the brush on the end and do little tiny circles. We're done! Perfect! I'm just gonna do the same eye. I don't know if I should do one eye at a time or not, but you know, today we're not. I'm just gonna blend this out, make it a little smoky. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. I wish they just told me what they were, but they don't. 23, color number 23 in the 35V, and we're gonna go take that on the very ends over here. I'm just gonna dab, and then start smoking it out once we dab it. Bring it in, and then we're gonna brush that very end out like this. Just flick of the wrist. Just a flick of the wrist. But extra smokiness in the end just adds that extra to it. That was a great, that wasn't even a tongue pop. It wasn't a tongue pop. What have I been up to the last year since I haven't posted? Well, where do I begin? Do I begin when I stopped posting, or do I begin before I started posting? I got into YouTube a while ago. I want to say I started watching YouTube 7 years ago, and I knew that's something I wanted to do. But then I got into photography as well. I thought maybe if I got into photography that I could do YouTube videos. That's not the case. That didn't happen. I got into more makeup than I did photography. So then I started doing drag. Those bitches lied to me. They said that drag was nothing different than any female's makeup. Are you kidding me? It takes 3 times longer. And so I started doing makeup videos, started watching Jeffree Star, started watching Tati Brooks, Laura Lee, Maddie MUA, Gigi Gorgeous, and then that's something I wanted to get into. And so now here I am, finally getting my life together. My goal of 2020 is to have 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2020. So please make that happen. Would you guys look at that already? Like, damn. Haven't put a brush to a face in a year. Okay, and then our next color was 4. Okay, 4, 12. Yes! I'm gonna go in with an elf brush because, again, donations are accepted. Okay, 12. We're gonna go with this shade right here. It's one of my favorite shades actually, and I'm gonna take an elf brush. Is this elf? I don't even know my own brushes. This is Wet n Wild. We're just gonna take that purpley red shade and just put it right here where the 2 browns meet, the transition shade and then the darker brown. We're gonna put it right here. Just kind of dab it. And we're gonna blend that in with the brown. Kind of create like a diagonal line. Like that. And then we're just gonna swipe. 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 Probably not the best brush to use. When I moved back from Oregon, I decided that I wanted to leave all of my makeup brushes. We're gonna go in with Sephora concealer, and it's gonna be color Fondant. And then when I have her look up, she'll open her eyes. Go ahead, open her eyes. Cool. That will create a stamp so that we can follow it with the rest of it. You can bring this out pretty far because you're gonna blend it back in. But the reason why I wanted that right there is because we're gonna take number 4.
No.
8.
4, 8.
Number 8 is right here. And we're gonna take this with preferably not a hair on it because that's disgusting. That's my dog.
Is that Peter hair?
Yeah. Peter is my Pomeranian. Where's my dog?
Peter!
Peter! He'll eventually come up here.
Peter!
Hi, Bubba. Want to come say hi?
Hey, baby. There's your baby. Yeah, look at you.
Say hi, Peter. Okay.
Okay, Peter.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, we're gonna take the color and just stamp it on the very ends like this. Now that that is done, we're gonna take my homegirl, Stella. It's Stella. In color Rose Gold Retro. It's gorgeous. We still want this concealer down here because we're going to add more color to it. It's going to take number 23, that darker brown shade. And we're going to buff this very edges out right here. Oh, I haven't used 17 yet. That's a poopy brown. It's a good thing I picked the lip color I did because I knew that she was going to pick some... Well, I mean... You don't have very much to choose from this palette. You got your blues, some green, red, and then you have brown is like half the palette. We're gonna go ahead and add that one right here just to soften that hardness. Enter eggplant emoji. See, I don't know if I want to add eyeliner or not to this look. We're gonna do it anyways. We're gonna take the Wet n Wild H2O proof eyeliner because it's felt tip and I hate felt tips, so we're gonna go with something I don't like. I don't want the wing so defined. I really just mainly want it to hide her lash line necessarily. Like, I don't want to wing it. I want to fade it. Ryan's really good at doing wings. See, a little bit of eyeliner can go a long way. Don't open your eyes. You're gonna f up my work.
No.
I'm gonna take the number 8 that I had earlier, this one right here, and I'm literally just gonna go over all that white, just so it sets. Okay, now that her eyes are done, for now, we're gonna start on foundation. I'm gonna take the Born This Way Too Faced foundation in warm beige, which is definitely not her color. It's not my color either. I'm just gonna blob this everywhere because I'm gonna mix a couple foundations. And I don't like to mix it on my hand because I think that's not, you lose product. We're gonna take 203 and 204 in the 24-hour foundation. We're gonna do 204 first because a girl likes to be dark like me. Now that that's done, one of my favorite things to do with contouring is to use a liquid and a powder. So I'm gonna take my Tarte, it's in Deep. This may look really strong at first, but I promise you it's not once we blend it in. So we're just gonna take this and second. I'm gonna go by her natural cheek line. Just do a little bit, and then bring it up. And then her forehead, we'll just do dots. And same thing over here. Her nose. And we're gonna take that same beauty blender. We're just gonna start beating that in, but we're gonna go up. Look at how good that blended out. And I did a little bit underneath the lip right here because it adds a shadow to the lip, which also makes the bottom lip look bigger. Now that the contour is set, we're gonna go in with the highlighter here. Taking that same Sephora in the fondant. We're gonna go, open it for me. We're gonna go under. And I'm gonna use the opposite side of that beauty sponge that I used. Just gonna beat that right in. So here I was thinking that the Wet n Wild H2 proof eyeliner was a good idea to use on this look. But if you look right here,
oh my god, I can see it.
Look what it has done to her eyes. Man. That could be a possibility because I did use concealer. I did set the concealer the first time and it still transferred, and then this last time I did not set it, so that could be my fault.
Oh man.
But also the fact that it happened twice now. Okay, we're gonna take these Lily lashes. I'm gonna take this Duo right here. Duo lash glue. Y'all, you only need a very thin amount. You looked up again.
I tried not to. I was trying to help you.
Do not use Wet n Wild's H2O proof liner, you guys. It'll transfer like nobody's business. I'm also skipping a lot through my routine. So it's like, why didn't he set her face? That's because I don't want this to transfer anymore. I know what I'm doing. I'm double stacking lashes because I'm a queen and that's what us queens do. But I want to double stack because her eyes are so beautiful. And I feel like double stacking lashes just adds that extra oomph to everything. I'm gonna take this brand new Sephora contour palette right here. It's called the Palette Contour Visage. It's a contour palette from Sephora, like I said 5 times. Take the 2 darkest shades. Well, the light and the dark shade. We're just gonna go over what I did over here. With that same contour palette, we're gonna take a flat brush. This is Morphe's M6 brush. We're gonna take this banana color. You guys don't, listen, this, trash. Now that that is done, we need to set her whole face, and we're gonna use the Rimmel Stay Matte. now that her face is set, we're gonna go back in with that contour palette again. We're gonna go with that lightest contour shade and the medium contour shade. Does that look a little harsh? Because it should look a little harsh, because now that we have that, we're gonna take the banana color along with, do these have shade colors? We're gonna take 2 and 3. 2, 3.
That's it.
I'm gonna go right underneath.
They all have different ingredients.
Oh yes! It's better if you use a dry brush or a dry beauty blender. Okay. 2, 3, and 2. Right underneath. Open for me. This is called, can you guess it? Can you guess? Can you guess? Baking. We're gonna add some blush.
Blush?
Some blush. This is the MAC Professional Cosmetics in 01 blush. There's about 4 different colors. I like to literally just go like this. And then
get it all in my hand.
Blush done. That's all we do for blush, because that stuff is a pigmented.
Pigmented?
Pigmented.
A pigmented.
Pigmented. Say it with me. Pigmented. Alright, now we're gonna go head on to the lips here. What we're gonna do with the lips is we're gonna take a MAC lip pencil in
It's almost gone, you can't read it.
any nude shade that you like. We're gonna take this new Sephora and Made in Italy. That is not the color I got. It's called Made in Italy. It's a Sephora lipstick.
Is that glitter?
No! It's not glitter, I don't use
Thanks!
It's an avocado. And before that's set, we're gonna take 2 Jeffree Stars. We're gonna take Ice Cold and we're gonna take King Tut. No, King Tut. I think I'm done. Look. It's done! Alright, you guys, this is the final look. You know, I'm pretty proud of it. It's been about almost a year now since I put any makeup products on anybody's faces, including mine, besides my eyebrows and mascara. You know, I'm pretty happy about it. My 2020 goal is to definitely get my YouTube channel up and going. I tried to do that in 2019, but it just didn't happen.
Shit happens.
Shit does happen. Anyways, if you are new here, again, my name is Ty Tucker. This is Ryan McCain. You can find us both on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and YouTube. Twitter, but I don't use that because I can't tweet.
I will put everything in the description below, so don't worry.
Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Happy New Year. Peter also has an Instagram. It is called Peter the Pomeranian on Instagram. Go ahead and find him. Thank you for watching. Bye.